What are web core vitals? Have you heard that word or those words? And I'm sure you have when people are talking about SEO. Web core vitals, web core vitals. What does it mean? What is it? All that kind of stuff. Basically, all you need to know is it's mainly due to your loading speed on your website, how quickly your website loads. So Google wants your website to load in less than 2.5 seconds now. Used to be 3, now it's 2.5. So jump onto your website, check that it loads in less than 2.5 seconds, and you're basically sorted. But stick around if you want the actual full length description of Web Core Vitals. So the first thing in Web Core Vitals is LCP, or largest contentful paint. So basically that measures the loading performance of the largest piece of content on your website. Okay, so it might be an image, it might be a text block, it could be a video, that kind of thing. Again, Google wants it to load in less than 2.5 seconds. So that's what LCP is. The second one is FID, or first input delay. And what that means is the time it takes for your web page to become interactive or responsive. So, you know how when you jump on a website, you have to wait for it to fully load before you can move your mouse and click and scroll and that kind of thing? So that's FID. So Google wants the FID to be less than 100 milliseconds. Okay, got that? The third and final thing for Web Core Vitals is CLS, or cumulative layout shift. Okay, so you know how when you load a website, sometimes it will load and then it'll go boom, and it'll like move and it will shift. Google obviously doesn't like that, so it wants it to be less than 0.1 milliseconds to do that shift. So there you go. All comes down to the loading speed, but basically it's super important for Google. Make sure your website loads in less than 2.5 seconds and you'll be all sweet.